Drank a little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you. A little too much.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is not a tutorial by any means, just me showing you what apps I use to make my thumbnails. So first up is Fonto. Fonto is really good for basically adding text. I used to use this a lot. If you check out my last how to make thumbnail videos, I'll put it on the screen right now. You can check that out for like a full tutorial. But yeah, this is perfect for putting any type of text in an already made thumbnail that you made on another app. I do use this just if I want to do like a single picture or a side by side, which is super popular for like, you know, the videos that I do, which are the hair reviews. And yeah, they have a whole bunch of different fonts. I have not used all the fonts yet. I pretty much stick to the one font I always use, but I do play around with different fonts here and there. And this is very easy because you can change the style of it by basically putting a background or adding a stroke to it, which you'll see in a few minutes. You can tilt it left and right. You can also add hearts, stars, everything like that. So you'll see me do that right here. Right now I'm fixing the stroke on it in the text color. So yeah, this is super easy, especially for like beginners and everything like that. Fonto is actually the first app I used when I started making thumbnails. So if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend Fonto before you move up to the more complicated apps. None of these are really complicated because I'm not like a computer whiz or anything like that, but I did watch a couple videos online. So this is how I know how to do this type of stuff here. And yeah, my thumbnails are not the best yet, but they're good enough to, you know, get clicks on. So yeah, if you're having trouble getting clicks, this is definitely a good video for you guys that need to know which apps are good, especially the free ones. I don't have any apps that I pay for at the moment. I'll be looking to that in the future, but as of right now, no. So yeah, right now I'm just going through adding the items and making the color on the different items. You can also tilt this, resize it, flip it, all of that. You can do like a curve with the words. You'll see me do that in a few minutes. So yeah, coming up next, we're gonna go to Canva. So Canva is a pretty new one I have been using. People use it a lot. I can always tell when they use Canva just by the different templates. There's a couple of popular ones people use and they have so many different templates. You can also use this for Instagram story, Instagram posts. You can also make like a channel banner if you want to do that. It's a lot of work, but yeah, if you want to do that, you can do that too. I usually just do the YouTube thumbnail. They have an exact little template for that type of stuff. They have a couple of different choices. It's pretty easy to, you know, change everything you need to change. I'm going to show you right now. So this is like one of the most popular ones people use a lot. It's just easy, it's straight to the point, and it's pretty eye-catching in my opinion. So I've used this a couple of times, and I'll show you that the thumbnails that I did make or whatever. That sounds stupid, but I'll show you the thumbnails that I made with this app right here. I think I made a few actually. I've been using this quite a bit after my cousin actually showed me what it was about. So yeah, these are the thumbnails that I've made. Some of them I did not use just because the picture was too big or it didn't come out right. And I feel like Canva is very easy, more so easy than Fonto and more so easy than Pixar. So if you're looking for something that have already pre-made templates, this would be definitely a good one. I've used this because it has like the 3 little pictures you could put together. I like to use that for all different stuff. So yeah, it also has that little, if you see my thumbnails, those like 4 pictures together, it has that too. And this right here, I'm going to show you how I change the wording on this little template and make it my own. I love birthday cake. Yeah, that's very true. So this is a one that I made with Pixar, but I did bring it into Canva. Like I said, you can just interchange. You can make a thumbnail in one app and bring it over to the next app if one app has something special the other one doesn't have. So yeah, and they also have free images you guys can use if it relates to your videos. I've never used these before because I always just take my own picture. So last but not least is Pixar. So Pixar is fairly new to me. It's a very popular one. They have so many different like templates and stickers and stuff. I do enjoy these stickers quite a bit, and their effects, but a lot of these you have to pay for, and I have never paid for any of the extra stuff. I just use all the free stuff on there, and it comes out really well. This is a recent thumbnail that I had made. If you guys watched that video, if you haven't, definitely go check it out. Yeah, so they have that cutout feature that's super popular on all the thumbnails. I have not used the cutout feature as of yet because I haven't had a video where I needed that, but I might be testing it out soon. So yeah, like I said, it's not a tutorial. I'm just showing you all the different filters and features of all of these apps. Like I said, they are free. Pixar does have a lot of paid stuff if you want to do extra little stuff here and there, and they have so many features. I love the sticker feature on here as well as the filters and everything like that. Just gonna let you watch what I'm doing right here, and I'm gonna stop talking. And it also has that super popular feature, that recording frame thing that everybody uses on their thumbnail, especially the big YouTubers. So I was surprised to find that here. That one I didn't like, but this one I use sometimes here and there. But I have a couple that you guys can use, so definitely check that out if you're looking to do that for your videos, because that's super popular and catchy if you're definitely trying to get some clicks in there. Yes, this is another one that people use. As long as it has like the record button on the bottom, that's a cute one to use. And you can always go back. But one thing I don't like about Pixar is that sometimes when you go back, it erases everything that you did already, and you'll have to do it over again. Also, you can put text in here, but I don't really like how they text looks. So if I do a thumbnail here and I need text, I'll take this and I'll go to Fonto like I mentioned before. They don't have that many fonts, and the cute ones you have to pay for, so you don't want to do that, because yeah, we don't got money like that over here. So what else am I doing? Let's see, I'm changing the color. But like I said, I barely use the fonts on Fonto. The fonts on Pixar that much. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. There's a couple other things I'm gonna show you, but I'm probably gonna just stop talking. And it also has the YouTube thumbnail ratio, so that's super important to make sure your thumbnails fit. I don't do this kind of collage thing right here, the picture on top of each other. I usually do side by side because I like that better. That's more catchy to the eye. Just always make sure that the thumbnails are very catchy in order to make the people click. And that's the most important thing to remember. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys finish out watching the video. Thank you so much for watching my channel as usual. Hope this helps somebody, and I'll make another part if I do find any more cool like free thumbnail making apps. And that's about it. See you guys next time. Bye.